Google Lens for iPhone. So to install Google Lens for iPhone, you just need to install a normal Google app, iOS Google app, and then you just tap this search icon, and then that's basically a Google Lens, and then you just tap the button to search. So you can also use it to translate, you can use it for search, you can use it for homework. And now it's also being integrated with the Gemini. You can see your history, you can enable flashlight. So yeah, that's just where you have it. So it's quite a powerful app because it's combined with AI, and then you can do your homework. You can use this app as an answer AI, or like Gauss or whatever homework math helper app. You can use it to search for images, and yeah, so that's and then you can also have search, or you can use Gemini. So then you can just enable it like that. So that's the idea here. So yeah,